Hi, my ACCA family. I'm Omer Zaheer Meer, Managing Partner MLCC, the pioneer ACCA and legal practicing firm in Pakistan, a key ACCA market offering exciting opportunities. Being an ACCA member since 2008, it's an honor to stand for election to the council, which oversees strategy with a global perspective and ensure that we continue to lead the profession. In these challenging times, I'll bring 14 plus years of crisis management experience at board and public sector level, including governmental policy formulation, and provide unique insights and utilize my network to help capitalize on economic opportunities from CPAC for ACCA members globally. Acting for all members globally, I'll do my bit to ensure that ACCA continues to address the evolving challenges faced by ACCA members and stakeholders. Therefore, I humbly request you, please vote and support me. Let's join our hands and think ahead together. Thank you.